I know I say this in every single video, but I am sorry I've been MIA. I film so many videos for YouTube and I never ever edit them because it takes so long. But I did this video today on how to put on this wig, this unit, without a wig cap or a bald cap as some people say. And I used the Got2b glue gel and freeze spray, I think it's called. So if you guys want to see the process of how I did that and how I achieved this look, keep on watching. Okay, so this is how I'm going to start. This is my real hair. I know you guys never ever see my real hair, and it's because it's extremely damaged and a lot of it just falls out in chunks. I have a big bald spot in the back where my hair does not grow because my sister busted my head open when we were little, but that's tea for another time. But yeah, this is my real hair. A lot of it, like I said, is broken off and I just have huge chunks of just missing hair everywhere. So that's why when you guys do see me, I am wearing extensions, or I have my hair up with extensions in a ponytail, or I'm wearing wigs. But anyways, this is the wig that I'm going to be showing you guys how to put on. Can we talk about the color? Like, the color on this is seriously everything. It's like multi-dimensional. It's just super pretty. It's super blended and I love that all the way to the bottom. And it kind of reminds me of Storm, which, like, she was my favorite person in X-Men. I don't know if you guys watched that or not, but yeah. So I'm gonna be putting this on. Since I have really short hair and I'm not gonna be doing a wig cap, I'm going to just brush my hair back. My mirror is over here into the corner, so if you guys see me looking over there, that is why. I'm just gonna brush it back. And then again, I have like no hair whatsoever, so I'm just going to grab a pin, twist it into a low bun, and then pin it. I seriously only need like one bobby pin because my hair is so freaking short. Grab a makeup wipe and I'm gonna wipe my face down. So I'm just washing my face to make sure there's no oils or anything so that the glue and the wig will actually stick, since there is lace front on it. It already came pre-cut, so I'm super excited about that too, because sometimes I kind of get nervous when I have to cut the lace myself. I don't know if you guys ever like get weirded out. Like, I'm always afraid I'm gonna cut too much or I'm not gonna do enough, and this one was already done, so I was like, oh thank God, so I don't have to do it. Kind of feel like I'm really close to the camera, but like it won't zoom out anymore. I don't know. I'm going to be grabbing the Got2b glue and I'm going to spray it all over my head and then kind of slick it back. I'm going to grab my eyebrow brush, the end of the spoolie thing, and I'm just going to brush it back. Because I do have dark hair and the roots on the wig are blonde, I don't want any of this to be shown. It would be different if I was wearing the wig and it had darker roots, because then I would just kind of like brush it out and then like create edges. But since I'm not, and this one's just straight blonde, I want to make sure everything is really slick. I'm also going to spray a little bit right here on my forehead for where the glue is going to be put on so that the wig will stick. And then I'm going to let it sit. Ooh! Whatever spray does move, you can just adjust and like wipe off at the end. And then I'm gonna let that sit, and then I'm gonna spray it a couple more times. I'm gonna do it 3 times. I'm gonna let it dry, spray it again, dry, spray it again, and then I'm gonna put the wig on. Okay, you guys, I'm hella upset because I was talking and I was getting good, like, you know, content for this video, and the camera dies. And I'm like, oh my God, if the footage didn't save, I'm gonna be hella upset. Oh, well, the footage did not save, so I backed up a little bit. I hope that this you guys can kind of see a little bit more further back, but I sprayed it on 3 times and it's sticky now, so I'm going to put the wig on. And I did put a little bit of the Got2b glue gel, this one. I'll show you guys how I did it. I'll just put a little bit on my finger, put it right here, and then I blow dried it, which I filmed all of this, and then it cut off. So guys, I look a hot mess. I need to get my eyebrows done. I haven't got my eyebrows done. I got my eyelashes tinted and I got them lifted, and they still look pretty good. They've been done for like a month and a half now, and you guys can you can see them. Like, they look so pretty. I don't have to curl them, and I'm so excited because I'm gonna go and get them done again with my girl. I'll put her information on the description bar below. I'll also give you guys all of the information on this wig and where it's from. People be mad disrespectful texting me and calling me in the middle of my videos, and that's that it's on silent, and I don't know why it keeps ringing. But anyways, this feels sticky. This is what the inside of the wig looks like. So it's about the 4 inches of lace, and then it is sewn onto a cap. It's super stretchy and tight, which I really, really like. And then it also has the bundle sewn in, and I believe she sewed them with a sewing machine, which is pretty cool. But I'm going to put it right here and then press it into the area of the glue. I only put glue right here on the front. You guys can kind of see the bundles right here, but I'm going to cut some of the hair and make baby hair so that way I can make edges and you guys can not see that. So I'm gonna go in right here. I'm gonna spray, and I'm gonna do the same thing that I did for the front on the front of the wig right here on this side, so that way I can glue that down as well. And don't worry about whatever glue spills on you. You're just gonna wipe it off before you do your makeup anyways. And I'm just adding the glue now. The end of either a brush, or I have this like little razor thing that I'm gonna make edges with. You can just kind of smooth it out until it is dried enough. I'm going to use the end of this comb. As you guys can see, it has glue on it because this is normally the brush that I use. And I'm just going to grab a little mirror, and I'm going to kind of grab some of the hairs up here in the front as well and just pick at them. And then with this hair right here, I'm just going to grab the little razor that I have, and I'm just going to kind of like pick at it a little bit just to create some baby hairs. Just that way so I can kind of glue that down, and then the same on this side. Comment down below if you guys like having baby hairs or if you guys don't. I know a lot of people don't like it anymore, and I do like it on some things because I feel like it makes it look a little bit more natural, but a lot of people don't like it. Okay, so I'm just going to brush it out. Okay, so then I'm gonna grab a little hairband that I have. I got this from the dollar store. I usually do my makeup on it, and that's why it's really dirty, but I'm just going to fold it so that way it's not so thick. And then I'm going to pin my hair back with the clip one more time. And then I'm going to put this on so that way it ensures that the glue on the wig stays there. And then the longer that you let this sit, the more tight and laid down your wig is going to be. So I'm going to leave it on for about 30 minutes while I'm doing my face makeup, and then I will be right back to show you guys the finished product. Okay, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you guys liked it and you guys actually learned something. I'm sorry I'm not the best at explaining and doing things, but this is the final look. I hope you guys like it. I really, really like it. Probably the only thing I would change about the wig is I would want it to be more lace on the front, just to about my ears. I think that's called the front closure. I would want it wider, and then I would change that I want the bottoms a little bit more thicker, like how the top is. But I seriously love this wig. The color, literally the texture is so nice, and it is so soft. Like, I wasn't expecting a wig to be like this soft, because my other wigs that I have are a little bit more not, what is the word that I'm looking for? It's more stiff, and it's like more coarse, I guess is what I'm looking for. But this one is so soft, and I can't stop running my fingers through it. But yeah, this is what it came out to look like. I hope you guys do like it, and if you guys did, please give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below, and also subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. I will be putting out videos more and more now that I kind of have my life back on track, and I know I say that every time, but I do. And well, do I don't know. I guess you'll just have to keep following me to find out. But if you guys did like it, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.